How to search Credo Reference. Credo Reference is a subscription library database from the vendor Infobase. It includes full-text articles from encyclopedias, dictionaries, and other reference sources. Think of it kind of like a scholarly version of Wikipedia.
Appearing one after another, screenshots of 3 different Credo articles on artificial intelligence move into frame. The first includes a picture of a robot and is a few paragraphs long. The second is several paragraphs, while the third is only a few sentences.
Most of the articles are fairly brief, around a paragraph to a page or two long, and serve mostly as an introduction, background, or overview. It's a good place to start your research and learn more about a topic, event, or person before you begin searching for more in-depth information.
The articles fade from view and the Lone Star College Library website appears. The site scrolls down the page and zooms in on the Quick Links section. A red outline is drawn around the second quick link, Research Databases.
To access Credo, you will need to go through the links on the LSC Library's webpage for research databases.
The website fades away to be replaced by the Library Database Authentication pop-up box. The box contains 2 buttons. Option 1, My Lone Star Login. Option 2, Library Barcode.
And log in using your My Lone Star details or library card.
The authentication box fades, and the Credo homepage appears in its place. There's a large search box at the top, followed by the heading Explore, with 4 tabs: Browse, Subjects, Collections, and Producers. The Browse tab is highlighted, showing a section called Start Your Search, with clickable links to common searches.
The Credo homepage opens with a large search box at the top of the page. Under the search box, there's an option to Explore, which lets you browse from common searches.
The user clicks on the tab for Subjects, briefly displaying a list of subjects in alphabetical order. Then they move to click on the tab for Producers, displaying an alphabetical list of content publishers like Bloomsbury and the Bureau of Labor Statistics.
A list of subjects, or from different producers or content publishers. Selecting a topic will take you to search results related to it.
The web page is scrolled back up to the top to focus on the search box, where the user types the keywords artificial intelligence and clicks on the search icon to run the search. The page reloads to show the search results. A heading displays with 2,863 results found. There's a toolbar under the heading and then a list of article results.
You can also use the top search bar to search by keywords. The search results will include a list of articles related to your search. Each item listed will include the title, publication year, and source for the article. It also shows the first couple of sentences of the article itself to help give you an idea of what the article's about.
The mouse moves to the Filters button located under the Results heading, and the drop-down menu displays showing the different filter options. The mouse moves to Copyright Dates, and an additional drop-down menu of options appear. The user clicks on the option for Within 5 years, then moves to click the Update Results button to enter the selection. The page reloads to show the filtered results, which now number 796.
Under the number of results, you can select the Filters button to further narrow your search. Filters include copyright date, language, length, and content type.
The cursor moves to the smaller search box next to the Filters button, and the user clicks on And, which drops down to show the options for And, Or, and Not. An example Venn diagram for And appears, showing 2 overlapping circles. Only the portion where the circles overlapped is filled in. A second Venn diagram appears underneath for Or. This time, both of the overlapping circles are entirely filled in with color.
There's also a smaller search box that begins with the Boolean operator AND. This box can be used to apply more keywords to your search, to either narrow it, using AND, or make it broader, using OR.
The illustrations fade away, returning the Credo website to focus. A red outline is drawn around the button for Within 5 years that appears under the Filters button. The outline fades away, and the user clicks on the X to remove the filter. The page reloads, returning to the original amount of search results.
Once applied, filters will show up as buttons under the Filters option. To remove a filter from your search, click on the X within the button.
The screen zooms into the right of the search results list to focus on the mind map. The term artificial intelligence appears in green in the middle. It's surrounded by related words connected by lines. The lines dance and move, highlighting their connections to the main term and to each other.
To the right of the search results, Credo will often generate a mind map or connected web of words related to your search term. This can be helpful to understand how your topic might relate to other terms or subjects, and it can be a good way to find related keywords that can help you in your research. For example, if I search for artificial intelligence, the mind map shows that term in the middle, surrounded by related topics including Alan Turing, cognitive science, computer science, and Turing test.
The user clicks on the mind map term Alan Turing, and the web page reloads to show results for Alan Turing instead.
To explore one of these terms in more detail, just select them on the map. Your search results will change accordingly.
The user clicks on the title of the first article result in the list, and the article record loads. The page starts with the article title as the header, followed by the full text of the article on the left side of the page. A gray box labeled "This Resource" is to the right of the article text, showing the book cover and the title for the larger work that the article appears in.
Within the list of search results, select the title of an article to see more information. The article record will include the full text of the article, as well as information about where the article came from.
A bracket is drawn around the section labeled "This Resource."
Most articles within Credo come from a larger work. The details for this source will be to the right of the article text, under the heading "This Resource."
The page scrolls back up to show the toolbar. The database tools are located under the article title to the right, above the "This Resource" box. The tool options are Save, Share, and Cite. A red box is drawn around the Save icon.
To the top right of the article, there are tools for the database. The Save icon lets you save the article to a folder within Credo Reference. To use folders, you'll have to create a free account with Credo.
The user clicks on the Share icon and the Share menu opens, showing options for URL and Embed. It's open to the URL tab, displaying a full URL for the article. The user clicks on the Copy button to copy the link to their clipboard, then closes the menu.
The Share icon provides you with a permanent link that can be copied so that you can return to the article later.
The user moves to click on the Cite icon. The Cite menu opens to reveal tabs for the different citation styles, with the APA tab selected. The citation appears within a box, and there's a Copy button to copy it to the clipboard.
The Cite icon displays a citation for that article in either APA, MLA, Harvard, or Chicago style. While this can be a great starter citation, just be sure to check it against other examples to make sure that it's correct.
The web page zooms out and the screen moves to show the browser toolbar. The user clicks on the back button on the toolbar, and the web page returns to the results list.
To get back to your search results, use the back button on your browser.
The user clicks on the Infobase logo that appears in the top left of the page, and the browser returns to the Credo homepage.
Finally, clicking on the Infobase logo will return you to the database's homepage and let you start a new search.
The Credo website fades away to an end screen, which reads, "Visit the Lone Star College Library website for more information about library databases. https://www.lonestar.edu/library/research."